I started by taking a shop class in high school. It was actually during the year that Mount St. Helens erupted, 1980. Out here in Washington State, we shut down schools because of the ash. But that launched my interest in woodworking and in building things. I remember a few years later choosing to build a crib for our son. He was our first child, and I wanted to build a crib and a changing table and a dresser. At this time, I was teaching. I remember you had a minimum spacing between the staves on the side of the crib. So I looked up the minimum recommended spacing and then wrote a quick algebra equation because I had lumber that was of a certain dimension. So I wrote an algebra equation and solved it and immediately knew how many staves I needed to cover a certain distance and what the exact spacing was between those staves. I find mathematics a really creative endeavor. That is, in my hobbies, the woodworking, the sprinklers, the sailing, the fixing, whatever, I find that mathematics empowers me to be creative in the way that I design. I love building and I love doing math.